A heat gun is a versatile tool that produces extreme heat to help homeowners complete small tasks, such as removing stubborn wallpaper and thawing frozen pipes. In this review, the This Old House Reviews team researched the best heat guns on Amazon to help you find the one that's right for you. There are many products available to choose heat guns, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best heat guns from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Seacon Heat Gun. This high-powered heat gun offers two ways to adjust its output: a rheostat-style temperature control and an airflow control with a high and low setting. Shipped with 4 different nozzles, this heat gun can handle a variety of tasks, from thawing frozen pipes to softening welding materials. What customers are saying. Happy customers were satisfied with the overall performance of this heat gun, both in terms of temperature and air output. They also mentioned that it preheated quickly. However, there was some confusion among a handful of reviewers around the temperature selection of the heat gun. They said that they couldn't be sure what the specific temperature was. What we like about it. Power. 1800 watts. Variable temperature settings. 121, 112 degrees Fahrenheit. Power source. Corded electric. Number 2. Chandler Tool Heat Gun. This miniature heat gun puts out relatively low heat, which makes it ideal for jewelry making and other crafts. Because it weighs hardly anything, it is easy to hold without hand fatigue. It also has an insulated body and a nozzle cover to prevent the user from accidentally getting burned. What customers are saying. Positively, customers appreciated the size of this heat gun, which they said was ideal for shrink wrapping, embossing, and other creative activities. They also stated that it was sturdy considering its small, light build. Negatively, there was some confusion around the manufacturer's instructions regarding whether to keep the protective nozzle cap on or off during and after use. What we like about it. Power. 150-300 watts. 2 temperature settings. 392-572 degrees Fahrenheit. Power source. Corded electric. Number 3. Black Decker Heat Gun. Achieving mid-range temperatures with 1350 watts of power, this heat gun can handle a variety of tasks from household maintenance to hobby crafting, with 2 temperature options. The corded power source allows for unlimited runtime, and the built-in stand protects the work surface. What customers are saying. Durability, sturdiness, and versatility were among the callouts for this heat gun in its positive customer reviews. Reviewers also added that the gun felt lightweight and easy to maneuver. Alternatively, many users said that it made a lot of noise as it produced heat, and one user wished that it had more air volume to match the. Number 4. DeWalt Cordless Heat Gun. This cordless heat gun gives you mobility with a rechargeable battery, offering up to 42 minutes of runtime per charge. The lock-on and lock-off trigger is useful for tasks that require several minutes worth of heat. Plus, the LED light illuminates dark spaces. What customers are saying. Many users were impressed with the heat and air output of this heat gun, especially considering its cordless design. Though customers thought that it was convenient for small jobs, they reported that the battery didn't last for long. What we like about it. Power. 20 volts. 2 temperature settings. Up to 990 degrees Fahrenheit. Power source. Cordless. Number 5. Batavia Heat Gun. In addition to 2 high temperature settings, this heat gun also has a cooling mode. The handle rotates to fit in tight spaces or awkward angles, or to stand stationary on a flat surface. For even more versatility, your purchase comes with 9 attachments, including 4 nozzles, a paint shovel, and 4 paint shovel attachments. What customers are saying. Most customers thought that this heat gun was easy to use. Many positive reviews also highlighted the protective case that carried the heat gun and its included accessories. However, some customers were frightened when the heat gun started smoking as they turned it on for the first time, even though the manufacturer mentioned that this was a normal reaction to the residual oil. What we like about it. Power. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching.